Andrew, you've sold a number of these FSDUs.
Yep.
What are generally customers looking for?
So they're looking for a lot of options, I find. So one thing that Atlantic do is all our range of finishes. It's actually our catch line. We're all about the finish. So as you can see from this stand alone, you've got your polished chrome, your matte black and your satin, but we offer at least another 15 more finishes, okay? I appreciate a stand might not be able to incorporate all those, but we also have on our stickers, which is coming, all the different finishes as well that customers can see. So when somebody comes in and they don't, do you know what, I don't fancy matte black, do you do an antique brass? Yes we do. Do you do everything to match? Yes we do. And what the stand does, it actually incorporates all that as well. So when you look at a polished chrome here, everything here is polished chrome, matte black, satin, but this is just a uniform one. You can tell us what you want, so you know your customers better than anybody.
That's good. We've installed a number of these across the UK.
Yeah.
What's the feedback from merchants? What do they say about it?
Yeah, they love how clean it looks, first of all, and they love all the different options available in terms of the stands as well, Adrian. So this one we're looking at here now is probably one of the first stands that we released, and it has all the component parts individually with the handles separately. We do offer ones where you can combine everything, what we call a door pack as well. So it's easy to use. Customers can see by the imagery what exactly it is they're buying, and that's probably the main reason why they're buying from us.
Brilliant. There's three options.
Yep.
Just talk me through what those three varieties are for the customer.
Yeah, so you have your standard FSDU, which is a freestanding display unit. On the standard one, again, is the one I've just talked about briefly. So it has all the individual components that you could possibly want to fit a door. So handles, hinges, latches, escutcheons, everything like that as well. We also do one for those, a bit like myself, even though I sell them, I don't know what I'm talking about a lot of the time. So we even do one where we even do a door pack. And in that door pack, it incorporates everything you need to put a door on the wall pretty much. So the gondola is half the size of this. So it's for those who don't have space to put the big stands against the walls and stuff. And again, it can even incorporate singles or door packs and a few little bits of stock as well. So it's for those that don't have quite the space but still want to promote Atlantic's products.
That's really good. So George, you've been across the length and breadth of the country installing these FSDUs. Talk me through what the process is of installation, on how long it takes, and you know what your arrangements are with the customer.
Yep. So the installation process is very simple. Generally, will only take from start to finish between an hour, 2 hours. Generally, appreciate just a small area preparing. It can be in the middle of a stand, on the end of a stand, or it can just be completely open space for a freestanding like we see with us today.
If somebody's got an existing unit installed, can you fit our attachments onto their existing unit?
Yes, by all means, as long as the uprights are matching, which does seem to be a universal standard, and we've got at least a metre of space.
On feedback from customers that you've installed, what would you say that the people's comments are after you've finished the work?
All positive. Everyone loves the packaging, everyone loves the colour scheme, and one thing that goes down really well is the linear design to everything. Starting with your handle at the bottom, the try before you buy element, customer get a feel of the product, through to your latches, and then everything runs up linearly for the appropriate lever up to your hinges, to your escutcheons, your WC turns, and then your locking systems.